Earlier today, the State Public Health Committee began hearings on House Bill 1805, an expansion bill of the state's compassionate use program for the use of medical marijuana. It has us wondering what would be the next step if it passes. Fox 44's Renato G shares what officials are saying about maintaining a safe cannabis market and the dangers in them.
The bill filed by North Texas Republican Stephanie Click could allow thousands of more Texans access to stronger cannabis treatments, some with THC levels as high as 5%. But with stronger products on the market comes an array of safety concerns. David Urbanowitz with Metric shared with me some of the tools and regulations in place to ensure the consumer market for buying is safe.
And what we're talking about with the medical program is Delta 9, and that is all very heavily regulated. Typically, states will require third-party tests. It has to pass those tests in order for it to reach the consumer. So again, that is much safer, much more well-regulated typically.
In 2018, the federal farm bill legalized hemp under certain THC restrictions like Delta 8 and CBD. Now, with the potential passing of House Bill 1805, patients in need of safeguarded FDA-approved products like Delta 9 would become more accessible to those with prescriptions, preventing consumers in need of medical marijuana from using widely available unsafe products.
These Delta 8 products you can purchase anywhere. There's no safeguards in place. People are getting sick from them. Again, there's safety risks there, right? You just don't know what's going in there, and it's the Wild West. It's completely unregulated.
Leaders in Texas are collaborating with companies like Metric to ensure regulation for marijuana products are safe, negating from the risks of buying products that aren't safeguarded.